Hello friends, today I want to introduce to you our new devices for the treatment of chronic prostatitis. I am treating chronic prostatitis for last 10 years with mainly prostate massage. Prostate massage is not a routinely done process in Western medicine, but in all Soviet Union countries it is very widely used procedure. 10 years before, one of my patients told me that he is having this treatment in Russia and he is going to Russia every year for this treatment, and he finds a solution after looking for a solution for his disease for many years and for in many doctors in our country. After cannot finding any solution, he went to Russia and had this solution. So when I asked him what's the solution, he said they do prostate massages. In all Soviet Union countries, he tried this in Ukraine, in Moscow, in Kyrgyzstan, and finally he found a doctor in Moldova performing this massage. So after learning from him, I began to apply this massage to my patients, and it worked very well. I can say roughly 80% of the patients were having a benefit from this treatment. I was using weekly prostate massages for 6 times, and I was giving antibiotics for 2 boxes. So after 10 years, this patient came to me, and in this pandemic period, he couldn't went to Moldova for control, and he asked me to do the massage to himself. And when I did him, he said, okay, the massage you are performing is the same as the Soviet doctors, but there is a difference. They are using some devices to prepare the prostate for a better massage and to decrease the pain during the prostate massage. So I went to Moldova and get education from this doctor in Moldova, and I had education for these instruments. So we have 3 instruments for the treatment of chronic prostatitis. First, now I will tell you about the first instrument. Okay, first device is a vacuum device. It is same as the normal vacuum devices in Western medicine, but it has some adjustments, some pressure adjustment, time adjustment, and when I start this is mainly used for erectile dysfunction. So this is a vacuum device. When there is a hole, when I close the hole, look inside, you can see the negative pressure, and this causes erection in the penis, same as it is doing in my glove. So when patient has irritations, he can open this and let the erection go down, and then applying negative pressure again. So it has some pressure limit. When certain pressure is reached, it stops, and when the pressure is lost, it starts again. So this device is, as I said, mainly for erectile dysfunction. When during my education with the devices, I asked, is it only for erectile dysfunction? They said no. This device, when pulling blood into the penis, it's also pulling the blood into the prostate, and blood supply of the prostate increases during this negative pressure. So in chronic prostatitis, it is very important, the high blood supply to prostate. So we apply this. Additionally, there is a photodynamic therapy device. You can see it is commonly used in physical therapies, and it has some effect. It has some, you see, adjustments. You can use like this, you can use like this, and frequency. So we surround the device with that, and during therapy, during vacuum therapy, penis inside, the patient says penis is heated up with this, and it makes a better feeling in the penis during the vacuum device application. So photodynamic therapy is a proven treatment in physical therapy, and we use this also with this device. Okay, second device is Intramag Anus. This is a magnetic field generator. It has an antenna here. It collects the needed energy for magnetic field, and it produces a magnetic field around this coil here. So it is like an MR machine. It's producing a magnetic field, and this magnetic field has some vibration effects, vibratory effects in the tissues. These devices are commonly used in physical therapies, but outside body using is easy. Inner side body, going into the prostate is difficult. So this apparatus gives us this chance. So here, when we put it from rectum inside near the prostate, now my hand is warming. I can't feel the vibrations, but it heats up the tissue with little vibrations, with producing a magnetic field here. So this magnetic field just not only heats, but it increases the blood circulation inside the body. So it is effective, provenly effective in infections, in chronic prostatitis, urethritis, in gynecological disorder, hemorrhoidal disorders. It is commonly used in old Soviet countries. So here my hand is warming now, and inside the prostate it will increase the blood circulation, lymphatic drainage, and it will open the ducts of the secretory glands in the prostate. There is a time application. We can increase the heat, we can increase the time. Approximately we perform this 4 or 5 minutes each device. So usually it takes 15 minutes to apply these devices. So this is the second device, Intramag magnetic field generator around this coil. So it makes my hand really warm. Okay, the third device is ultraton EMA. This is an ampulla here, like a light bulb. Look, it transfers the light and transforms it to heat to the place what it touches. There is a high voltage generator, and high frequency heat is produced inside this device. And with this ampulla, we can transfer the heat to the place we touch. This part of my hand is heating up. It is giving heat like this. We can adjust the temperature, and when it touches, it just not only produces heat. With the touch of air, there is ozone formation and nitrous oxide formation, which is very little for the bacteria in chronic prostatitis and in all kinds of inflammations. So this device heats the prostate, not just only heats, but it also increases the blood circulation, and it increases the blood supply of the prostate, and it opens up the capillaries and venous channels, and also lymphatics. The lymph drainage in the prostate is better with the application of this heat inside the prostate, and the other effects. And other than this, the prostatic channels is inside the prostate. They are closed, they are occluded. With this energy, they are opened, and infections are decreased. They have little effect with ozone and nitrous oxide therapy, and it is good for softening the prostate. It softens the prostate with heat and gets ready the prostate for prostatic massage. So when we finish all these devices in 15 minutes, we do prostate massage. In prostate massage, we do 60 massages, 60 times. We press the 6 different regions of prostate and squeeze the prostate into the middle, and then 3 times drain the needle prostatic sulcus. So for 10 years we are applying this prostate massage, and 6 months later, 6 months before, I go to Moldova and get this education, and now we are performing this in addition to prostatic massage. We were having 80% success before. Now the success rate increased. Most important, the complaints of the patients decreased, especially concerning the pain. I wish you healthy days with your chronic prostatitis. We are here to help. We call this all protocol Istanbul Protocol. It is a little different than the Soviet version. So to make it easy to remember, I call this Istanbul Protocol. We will love to help. We perform this massage for 6 days and 3 days consecutive, and then 2 days interval, then 3 days more. Totally, you have to spend 8 days in Turkey for Istanbul Protocol. I wish you a healthy day with your and get rid of your chronic prostatitis as soon as possible. Have a nice day.